starting off in the Corvette on the inside because we're actually doing some interior work today. We're installing, boom, this PBM hydro. So this thing sits right in the cup holder right here. Gotta take all this off, gotta run lines and do the ABS delete up front. I was gonna have someone do it, but I think I'm just gonna do it myself just to save a little money. Anyway, I'm gonna start ripping this interior apart. Look how clean this is. Besides this, don't look at this. It's freaky fresh. Before we do that, I actually want to show you guys the new wheels I got for the Vette. Picked these up from Anthony. Again, boom. TE37s, my first set ever of TEs. Yes, they're real. There's the stickers in there. And yeah, these things are sick, so I gotta put the other side on. I don't know if I mentioned, but radiator's all in. This is the block we are deleting today, this fuse block right here. I gotta put the wheels on the other side. There's all the TEs over there. Just chilling, and yeah. DeWitt's radiator, I did order a new fan, so the radiator's not really hard mounted yet because I got to get the new fan to put on there because that one's kind of destroyed. But yeah, it looks sick. This radiator is going to cool crazy amounts compared to this little guy. And yeah, this thing's starting to come together. We'll start it up later so you guys can hear it. I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm watching a YouTube video, making this YouTube video on how to install this stuff for a YouTube video. So yeah, that's usually how I learn to do stuff, is just YouTube. This thing should go somewhat like this. The really cool part is it sits in the cup holder, so that middle console goes right back on. This just plops on like this. Boot goes back over like that. Okay, hydro is mounted for the most part. I just need to, I'm running to the shop real quick, grab a drill these two holes out. I need to get my rivet gun. Then you put 2 rivets in there. They give you the rivets. I don't know where I put them, but and then from there we'll run these lines. And I actually found out there's a hole down there where the grommet that these lines are supposed to go through, so I don't have to drill any holes, which is super sick because yeah. I just don't want to drill holes in my Corvette. But yeah, this is gonna be such a sick, clean setup. And I have a purple handle. I'll show you guys that. I think I already showed you. I don't remember, but the purple handle will be dope. The only thing I'm curious about is if I need to flip this or not, because on Anthony's cars, we flipped it that way. That way the lines went this way. But I think I can actually do it this way because there's enough bend on these things that it shouldn't be an issue. But we'll see. Okay, so Anthony came over. He's gonna do this whole install for me because he knows what he's doing. If you guys want to see if you guys want to see the install in depth, just go to his channel. And his Corvette's parked out there, just chilling. Looks way better than mine. Gives you hope about mine.
Hey, just so everybody knows, this was essential travel. Race cars are essential.
Oh yeah. Oh, 6 feet, dude. 6 feet.
Seriously.
Social distancing. So anyway, I'm going to flip this master cylinder this way and then run the lines up through here because apparently there's a hole in there somewhere where I can just feed those things through without drilling a hole.
I chose to drill like 3 holes in my dad. My video is way more entertaining to watch, just FYI.
Yeah, it actually is.
One thing on my video, I told you guys to delete this ABS block because this PBM kit comes with it. You can't do that because your car won't start up if this wiring harness is not plugged into the block. So we're gonna get into this harness, and if you guys can see that.
That's scary looking, dude.
You have to solder these. I don't know why it's not focusing. There is a tan and black and then a normal tan. Those are communication wires. So you just have to cut those and solder them together. So the tan to tan and tan and black to tan and black.
So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this reservoir and then run these lines up to Anthony because this guy knows what he's doing. See if Anthony knows what he's doing. We're about to start this thing up.
Well, I obviously don't, because I just cut myself with a razor blade.
Anthony.
I don't know how I did that. Just try to start it up real quick. There you go. Fluid, honestly.
Do I put it in gear?
Yeah, put it in gear, drop the clutch.
All right. Oh, Anthony knows what he's doing. This guy knows what he's doing. Let's go. So we just need to solder those together?
Yes, sir.
So we gotta go get a solder gun,
Yep.
some coolant, some power steering fluid, and wire strippers. I'll make a list.
We don't really need this.
All right, we're taking Anthony's sick ricey vet.
Rice. Angle is rice.
Dude, everything about this is rice.
Look at them purple seats.
Look at that. Black taillights, purple seats. Here, if you guys want to follow him, right here. Oh, let's get you some.
Hey, I actually picked up 3 subscribers today just because of that.
No way.
Yep.
Dude, let's get you some pool noodles while we're at Walmart.
We could.
Yeah, you need
I
some.
don't know if those are FIA approved, but
It's better than this.
just strap in, you'll be good.
After a nice, cool, calm, collective drive back from Walmart, we got a bunch of cool stuff. Got a torch, some soldering stuff, so Anthony can solder my wires for me. And then, yeah, I'm gonna keep running those lines.
Are you gonna put that clip in your video?
Absolutely.
Oh, yeah.
Because that was a long drive to Mexico just to hit that.
Yeah, seriously, that took us like, it's not the next day.
Yeah, it's a completely different day. We had to drive all the way to Mexico, especially with this quarantine stuff. Could not do it on the streets here.
But,
Crazy.
Yeah, once we get this car finished, we can tandem on those streets.
Yeah, here's a segment I like to call Soldering with Anthony.
Are you zoomed in and everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys are interested in like a Haggarder than Haggard garage, follow my channel.
Yeah, he's the new Haggard garage because the old one's gone.
Wait, is it?
Yeah, it's gone.
Today's episode on Soldering with Anthony. First, we got our plumber's flux. I don't know if you're actually supposed to use this when you solder electrical stuff together, but I told Austin we need to get some of this stuff. So I made him buy a $25 plumbing kit.
Wait, what is
just
that?
so we could do this.
I thought that was... That's all it is? It's like a cream? I thought it was like wire or something, that we needed some special wire.
Dude, just...
What? I
like-
bought that
it's
just
like-
for that?
Yeah.
That was 29 bucks.
So if you guys want to be a little bit smarter, you can just go to Home Depot and get this stuff. I think it's like, I think it's probably like 99 cents for something like this, but we made Austin spend like close to $30. You're literally about to see what this cream does though.
Does it make those wires cream?
Alright, so normally, you know, you just press the solder there. Oh, just kidding. This is actually good solder.
Really?
Yeah.
So we don't need the cream.
We don't need the cream.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I don't think we do. It'll make it easier though.
What's going on over there? Dude, that's pretty fire.
That's it for this episode of Soldering with Anthony.
Thanks for tuning in, folks.
That wasn't even the 10 mil.
Damn it.
Language.
Okay guys, Anthony got it hooked up. Everything's looking good. I'm gonna double check it all, make sure he tightened it all. But that's all solid. Not hitting anywhere, I don't think. Handbrake in there.
Good enough for who it's for.
Exactly. Handbrake in here. It's actually too nice for who it's for. But handbrake's all tight. Look at that. Look at this guy wants me to shout out his TikTok.
No.
Yeah, so the lines go, I don't think you guys can see, but they're up above the pedals. They don't hit anything. Go through the little grommet up here, the little hole I drilled that everyone can see now. Then they run down here. Need to zip tie that so it doesn't touch the header. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Nice and simple. Gotta put the radiator in. Then we're taking this thing to get coils, angle kit, FD alignment.
FD alignment.
Then we're gonna go to Mexico and street with Anthony.
Yeah. And a wrap. Did you tell him about all that yet?
No, I haven't got to that yet.
Ooh.
It's coming.
He's got some parts coming, but don't you guys be sleeping on this Z06 clone car.
Oh, damn it. Okay, I do not have a funnel. We're putting coolant in now. Radiators.
Oh, really? You're gonna get this on video?
Yeah, for sure. Radiator's temporarily held in because I gotta get new fans, so. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that cap. Oh, there you go. Oh! Not even a drop. You think it's gonna leak?
Leak what?
Coolant.
I hope it doesn't leak coolant. Let's hope it doesn't burn coolant.
Oh. Why even say it? I know a car that almost started burning coolant.
Yeah, the 370Z.
Oh. It's not where I was going.
Where were you going?
That 350Z.
Oh, the one that was tested and doesn't burn?
Yeah, I got tested 370. 370 guys could possibly have pull-in head gaskets. We don't know. I hate you. Dude, if you wouldn't have picked that up, I would have believed you.
I know, I was trying to think of it real sneaky.
Well, she's good.
Yeah, ready to drip. Good burnout.
Hey guys, everything's going great. Oh, are we leaking? We are pouring fluid out. I didn't even notice. Dang it. We got Anthony putting more coolant in, fixed the leak. This thing's getting warm. I'm about to move the speed. Get a nice little cold start on her. Look at that vet, so sick.
So we're taking it for its first little spin. No brakes or anything. Had a little head gasket scare, but we should be good to go.
Did that work? Does everything seem like it works?
Yeah, dude, it feels good.
It's a little sketch, but
What are your first thoughts?
I mean,
first time driving your Corvette.
it's crazy. I'm in a grandpa vet.
You tightened all the lug nuts and everything, right?
No.
You didn't?
Dude, she's good.
Yeah.
I know brakes is a little sketch.
Oh, smooth, buttery clutch.
Ooh.
Butter.
Dude, this thing's good. Yeah, I'm not going much farther. It's kind of sketchy.
Yeah. It runs though.
At least we know she works.
Everything operates halfway all right.
Well guys, that was the first drive. Sorry if I was a little quiet. Always nervous on the first drive of like a car you just did something big to. But yeah, she works. So tomorrow we're gonna send her off, get some fire suspension on there, and yeah, everything looks good, no leaks. Do need to get a new fan shroud though, like I said, and intake and stuff. But for now, we're just gonna throw the hood on. Probably be back in like a week, make more videos on it, and then yeah, I'm pretty stoked. Rolled the windows up for the first time. Tent's really dark, and everything in there is perfect. I still gotta finish putting the interior together, but I'll do that at a later point. And we gotta get the brakes bled, because that's kind of sketch. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Eventually my Corvette will be cool, like that one right there, but for now we're still grandpa on it. Anyway, follow me on Instagram, Speed Burner. Peace out.